Hi everybody. Before I begin, let me introduce myself. I'm a teacher and author in France, but above all, a human being in love with our planet and with nature. I have decided to share with my English-speaking neighbors the preamble to my second book, which is an hymn to nature. Nature is the supreme muse. There is no other source of inspiration as universally beautiful, faithful, and eternal. The earth is your heart. The forests are your lungs, and the oceans are the blood flowing through your veins. How do you plan to live without it? We destroy it, we plunder it, we exterminate it, we torture it. Do you hear it cry? Do you hear it moan or complain? Never. Its execution is silent, yet it's screaming at you to stop. When will you understand? When your own lives are at stake, it will be too late. You're already suffocating because it no longer produces the oxygen you need, and it's poisoned. Whoever you are, wherever you come from, whatever your values, traditions, beliefs, and ways of life, she begs you, do everything in your power to protect her. Even if you're just